Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a holiday inspired makeup look. I got my little Christmas earrings out that I haven't worn since I was in middle school. I got my one and only Christmas sweater out. When I think of holiday makeup, I think of glittery, like silver or gold glittery like eyeshadow, like a bold red lip, and just like a full coverage face. I don't know if that's just me, but when I think of it, that's what I think of. Also, I got this sweater from Old Navy. So I don't think I'm gonna tape my eyes today, which is kind of pretty bold. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And then I'm gonna take the Gellar Spackle Even Tone. And then I'm just going to spray the Bioclarity Multitasking Mist. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette for this, but the shades I'm going to use are basically a black and an orange, so you can use any black or orangish brownish shade that you have. I'm actually going to just take a bone colored eyeshadow real quick just to set primer that we just put down. This is just to, when we put eyeshadow in our crease, it's just so it's more smoother and it's not like patchy. So I'm just going to take a Morphe M433 brush. Then I'm just going to slowly go back and forth between the brush that I used to apply the eyeshadow and then just a clean blending brush just to blend everything out with. And then I'm slowly going to add just a shade darker just to make it pop, just so we're building the color up. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a Morphe E17 brush. And I'm going to take a black shade. I'm going to take a Morphe E36 brush. This is like the same type of brush except it's smaller, so it's going to give us more precision. Now that we've got that done, we're going to add glitter. Since we set our eyeshadow primer already with a powder, I'm going to go back in with a concealer actually and kind of cut the crease, but not really. And then we're not going to set it with a powder. We're just going to put the glitter right to that concealer, so it's going to act as an adhesive and it will just stick better. That's the plan. I'm hoping that's what's going to happen. I'm not really sure if that's how it's going to turn out. For concealer, I'm going to take the Rare Beauty concealer in the color 110N. I'm going to take the NYX Pigments. This is in the color Vegas Baby. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take what's in the cap already, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe 212 brush. For foundation, I'm going to mix two because once upon a time I thought I was tanner than what I really was, and I bought a shade too dark. So this is the Marc Jacobs Remarcable foundation in the shade Bisque Taupe. And then I'm going to mix that with the CoverFX Natural Finish Matte Foundation in the color N20. I'm probably going to use more makeup than I would normally use because I want this to be really full coverage because it's all about the vision I've got up in my head. You know, it's not exactly, we're not really the same color. But we'll just blend it down and we'll just even it out with concealer. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I'm gonna use the same concealer that we used for our lids. This is the Rare Beauty concealer. the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder, and this is in the shade Butter. And I'm going to take that on a Kat Von D 25 brush, which is just a flat brush like so. Now I'm going to take a foundation powder. I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix in the color NC20. Now I'm going to do some bronzer, and of course I'm going to use the Park Avenue Princess because I'm just so predictable. By Tarte. This is my favorite. I'm just going to put that around the perimeters of our face. And I'm going to take that same bronzer on a Morphe E27 brush. I'm going to take it down the sides of my nose. I'm going to use the Tarte Blush Bazar. I'm going to take the color Authentic because I'm one of a kind. The Glossier Boy Brow, and if you haven't seen my last video, it was a get ready with me for Thanksgiving, but it was also a Glossier First Impressions. This is in the color Brunette or Brown. I'm just gonna brush these babies up. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my mascara on off camera. Of course, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Base, and then I'm pretty sure I'm going to use the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. I love this stuff. So good. And then I'm going to curl them, put the lash primer on, put the mascara on, and then we'll come back and we'll finish up the look. Okay, so I actually went ahead and put highlighter on as well. So I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills times Nicole Guerriero highlighting palette, and I used the shade Forever Lit. It's kind of like a white holographic highlighter, and I wanted something that was going to be kind of in your face. I cannot decide for the life of me what lipstick to use, and I kind of like the color of my natural lips with this look, and I'm just not feeling a red, but I feel like a red would go really good with this look and you can use it, but I'm not feeling it. So right now I'm stuck between two. One of them is more of a deep taupe and the other is more of like a berry, and I'm leaning more towards it. So I've got the MAC Little Tamed, which is the one that I'm leaning more towards, or the more the merrier. So this one is like, you can see it's more darker. I don't know where that came from. I just got a little too excited. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with the way that this came out, but that is it for this video. This turned out like exactly what I had envisioned, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I don't think I have anything else to say except thank you so much for watching. I'll have all of the products, if they're not listed on the screen, I'll have them all in the description box below if you want to check them out. Also, I'll link my sweater if I can find it. I don't think I have anything else to say except thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Unless something drastic happens, I'll see you before. Kai is signing off.